We got two Google Pixel 10 Pros. Let's get to this unboxing, setup, and first impressions. Alright, let's begin with this unboxing and setup. But really quick, you might have noticed that there was black tape on here. I put this on myself so none of you guys try to do some sneaky stuff with my phones. This phone is actually from my mom, so I'm allowed to unbox it, but I'm not going to be setting up this phone in this video, just this phone. Let's get started on the unboxing. Got these two pull tabs on the back. This is the Porcelain color. I hope I pronounced that right, but I'm gonna look down. There we go. I don't think it was a tape, I feel like it was a this package. But anyways, here's the phone. We get this little outline of the phone, the Google logo. And then we flip it to the back. Yeah. Let's lift it up. I strongly believe that Google has the best aesthetics in terms of phones. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during phone setup. A controversial thing that Google did with the Google Pixel 10 Pro, oh man, I messed up the ASMR one, is they removed the physical SIM card, so. And here is the Google Pixel 10 Pro. You can see no SIM card. I am in the US, so maybe if you're in a different country it could come with a SIM card, but yeah. I really like the aesthetics of this phone. And let's see, what else do you get in the box? You get this pamphlet. Oh, there's the pro page. Oh, and then there's burning paperwork stuff. And then you get the charging cable. And just like Apple, there was no charging brick inside of this. Yeah. And this cable is not braided, so yeah. I'm probably going to need this to transfer over my contacts from my iPhone 15 Pro. Now, you might think that it was a bad decision for me to upgrade from an iPhone 15 Pro because that's one of Apple's newer smartphones, but I got a very good deal with the carrier. I will talk more about it in a future video, but for now, I'm just going to be focusing on unboxing, setting up the new Pixel 10 Pro, and unboxing this phone as well. Alright, now let's turn it on and make sure that this phone didn't come broken. I felt a haptic. Nice. Let's see how long this takes. Alright, it's telling me hi. Let's hit next. I'm from the United States. I'm gonna skip this. Skip that too. Alright. Just gonna let it do its thing. I hope this doesn't end up doxing me. I'm gonna set this up later just because I want to get to the actual home screen. I'll set this up later too. You do not need to have my location, Google. Warranty, legal terms, sign my life away. Alright. Okay, so it's teaching me the gestures of the phone. Nice. Ooh, that's smooth, man. That's smooth. Now, with Pixels, you don't always get the latest and greatest hardware, but the software makes up for a good majority of it. Alright, now let's unbox my mom's Google Pixel 10 Pro. I'm not going to set this up, I'm just going to unbox it so that she can transfer her stuff over off camera without us feeling rushed. I already pulled off one pull tab off camera, so it did not come with only one pull tab, so just keep that in mind. Yeah. Same phone, basically just a different color. I'll pick that up later. So this is the Moonstone color. So. And let's see how this compares to my current Pixel. Got that nice satisfying peel. Let's see. Nice. Nice. We got, it seems like it's like purple and blue mixed up. This is basically identical to my phone, just a different color. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so that's the end of the video. I'm gonna go get service on these phones, transfer my stuff over, and begin the Pixel journey. I'm coming from an iPhone. I've used Android in the past. I feel like I'm finally at a place where I really can go back to Android and feel satisfied. When I was with Android previously, I always felt like I was missing something compared to an iPhone. But now, it seems like those compromises are little to non-existent now. And I'm super excited to test the new Pixel. And yeah, stay tuned for my full review coming soon, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.